We're going to talk about phase 3, which is sourcing the contracts. So again, just to recap, we went through the first 4 steps, which was the certification process. Now, this is once you have the stamp of approval. We're going to start with step 5, the step 8 from essentially reaching out to business owners and then eventually getting hired. So step 5 is we need to consume a little bit more training material. So it's going to be this week in full, obviously. You already should have consumed the crash course. And then finally, if you go to here, this landing a setter and closer contract week, you need to go through all of that, okay? That training in that week is going to show you how to find positions that you want, how to find them, how to reach out to them, all of that stuff, and how to filter the good from the bad, etc. Step 6 is sourcing. So once you understand what to do, there's going to be a certain amount of volume of activity required. So we require 250 reach outs, which if you did 40 per day, that would take you not even 7 days, right? It'd take you like 6 days and some change. So very, very easy. You can knock it out in a week. 250 might seem like a lot, but realistically, not that much at all. And I will just tell you from experience, guys, in general, you're probably gonna get the result way before 250. I just like to set the volume and the barometer of action so high to where achieving the result that you want is inevitable, okay? So that's gonna ensure you have enough, not only that you get the result, but also that I would rather you see have an abundance of opportunities to pick from opposed to one, right? Let's operate from a place of abundance, not a place of scarcity. Now, if you've gotten to 100 reach outs so far and it's not working, what I want you to do is book a call with your coach and get your conversations reviewed, or send a soundless Loom video of scrolling through your conversations. Okay, don't narrate it, just scrolling, send it to your coach and ask them to review that or bring it to a group call. But I would really like you to, if you're at 100 and you really haven't gotten any results, which is rare, but if that happens, I want you to book a one-on-one call and get that done. And then the next step is going to be interviewing, right? So everything you need to be able to nail the interview is also in that landing and setter or closer contract video. So they're in all of these modules in here. It's called nailing the interview, you'll see what it is. And then step 8 is hired, right? So at this stage, remember, post in the group, the gig you got, the potential earnings, why you're excited, and any other info you want to include. So that's phase 3, sourcing contracts. Obviously, most of phase 3 is going to be in that landing and setter or closer contract week as we get into it. So there's tons of training there. I'm just kind of walking you through the implementation pathway now. See ya.